The Anolon Advanced Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Surface stops food from sticking. This capability makes cooking eggs a breeze. Cleaning is also very easy with just a sponge. You do not need to scrub hard. And the pan looks new for longer. Many users give it high ratings for this. This Anolon Advanced Home Hard Anodized Nonstick skillet is strong and heats evenly. It can handle different temperatures on your stovetop. While it is not software, its reliable performance makes cooking simpler. Consider adding this to your kitchen for easy and enjoyable meals. Compra this pan to improve your cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: durable build, heats evenly, good for eggs, sturdy handle, nice bronze color, food slides. Off, lasts a long time, oven safe to 400 degrees F. Cons: coating can scratch, not metal utensil safe, hand wash recommended, not induction compatible. Uneven heating possible, handle may get hot, limited lifespan, potential for warping features. Non-stick surface, hard anodized, oven safe to 400 degrees F, sure grip handle, even heating, durable. Aluminum, easy to clean 8.5 inch size, bronze color, lifetime warranty. This Anolon 8.5 inch frying pan has a non-stick surface, so food won't stick and it's easy to clean. It's made with hard anodized aluminum, which makes it strong and helps heat spread evenly for better cooking. The handle is designed to be easy and safe to grip. You can even put this pan in the oven up to 400 degrees F. It comes in a bronze color and has a lifetime warranty, showing it's made to last. This pan is a good size for everyday cooking. This 8.5 inch Anolon Advanced Home Frying Pan has a strong build and heats food evenly, making it good for cooking eggs and other dishes. Food easily slides off its non-stick surface, and it's oven safe up to 400 degrees F. It has a sturdy handle and comes in a nice bronze color. However, the non-stick coating can scratch, so you shouldn't use metal tools, and it's best to wash it by hand. It won't work on induction stoves, and some people have found that it can heat unevenly. The handle might get hot, and it may not last forever or could potentially warp over time.